painting is related with the idea of a person who tried to build his own future. In reference of the place where he was born, this represents the island of Cuba. It can be other island. It can be a big mountain who represents a country with the profile of the people. So the title of the piece is a figure who drew his own horizon line. So it's like somebody who tried to figure it out how he's going to be his life in the near future. So it's a guy actually drawing the wall. The line of Calunga. Calunga is the line of the ocean with the wave. All those dots and the curvilinear line represent a certain moment when he was jumping from one place to the other. That he is attacked by certain kind of difficulties like this, he's able, at least to planning his future, drawing the wall and his next step in order to moving forward, you know. In my painting and in my installation, normally it's a bunch of opposite things, like machines against nature, natural element like arrows and animals against machines. So normally they have this kind of confrontation. And the arm came out of the mouth, he tried to reach the plane. And the colors is also in reference to some of the Afro-Cuban goddess, Centella and Doki, who have 7 colors without the black. So that present is like the presence of the dead, who is always there to try to grab the person and kill it. But the person had to be in confrontation with the dead all the time. So it's basically, the idea is static. Visually everything is static, but it's a movement suggestion from one place to the other. The whole thing started here and moving to there. And the figure is moving too. He made like in a compass, a circle with his body and the stick. So as long as he can draw and he can write in something there, he controls that area.